Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add custom font in CapCut. So first and foremost, you need to download a font of your choice that you want to add. Alright, so you come to Chrome over here. Then when you come to Chrome, in the search bar, just search for font over here. So type in font. So when you type in font, come and look for the font.com. So the font.com is over here. It's actually the font.com, pardon me. So you tap on that. So when you tap on the font.com, you can see the variety of fonts here. Okay, so you can choose a font of your choice. This one is called Ghost Knight. This one is called Blood Moon, Black Magic. So when you scroll this side to the right, you can see there are options of download and also donating to the author. Basically donating to the person who made this font. So let's assume you want to download the Black Magic over here. Just come and tap on the download button. So you tap on the download, your download will start right away. Okay, so it's downloading like see. Yeah, so it's downloading and within a few minutes it's already done. Okay, but what you need to know is that these downloaded fonts are zipped files. Okay, so you can't watch them, you can't see them if you don't have a zip or unzip application. Alright, so after downloading it, you can see our file is in downloads. So if you want to add this custom font to your CapCut, open CapCut. Okay, so let's assume you're on CapCut and you're on a new project. Or let me start a new project over here. You tap on new project. Then select a video of your choice. So I'll select that video there. So you come to text, then come to add text, then come to font, first option there. So to add a custom font, leave it in the system option over here. Okay, so leave it in the system option. Then you can come and scroll down and choose from these fonts, however much these fonts are basically CapCut fonts. All right, but if you want to add your font from your Android device or from your files, you can come and tap on add font over there. Then you come and tap on this plus icon here. So basically come and tap on upload file. So therefore you'll get the file that you downloaded from the font.com. Then you input it here from the storage where it is. So after doing that, basically your font will be listed over here in CapCut. Alright, so that's how to add font in CapCut. Alright, so thank you for watching. We shall meet in the next video.